What game have I found? Oddly addicting. But very, like, weird game. Oh, diamond. I don't really want the diamonds. Okay, maybe I do. Because I am saving up for the most important thing. Y'all ready to see it? It's in the accessories, but you'll understand why I want it. I hope this is not copyright music. I'm gonna cut off the music. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's see. This. But I want it on, not you, this one. Okay, well, before we can do that, we need more chickens. So let's bubble up all the chickens. So, I had already made an episode on this, but the game recording got crashed and it all went downhill from there. I am so freaking tired. Ow. But in this video, while we're playing the game, we're gonna have comment challenges. It's just fun clapping, I don't know why. So, in every single episode of Chicken Evolution, we will have another challenge. So this episode, the first episode's challenge is to see. So what will happen is I will put 3 colors in the comment section in 3 different comments. Reply this one, like literally put this one, reply to that color, and we'll see which color is more popular. So the colors are, if y'all haven't already looked in the comment section, which probably y'all haven't, but the colors are red, blue, and pink. Obviously, I had to put pink in there. Red, blue, and pink. Y'all tell me y'all's favorite color out of those. And oh my gosh, it's my favorite chicken, the chicken pox. But y'all tell me y'all's favorite color out of those 3. And if none of those colors are your favorite color, then I'm sorry. You don't have to submit an answer, but if you want to, you can. So, and there will be Alfred, my nipple. So, there will be a just normal vlog tomorrow saying, actually, I'm gonna give it a okay, never mind. So, I think I'm gonna give it about 3-4 days to, actually, I'm gonna give it till Monday, and I'll see what answers y'all are giving me, and then Monday I will tell y'all in a separate video what color won, and anyone that voted on that color will get to tell me a game or an idea to do in the next video. But if y'all don't like my idea, y'all can just say, I don't like the idea. And I'll be forever sad. I'm just kidding. I'll be glad if y'all say, I don't like this idea, because that'll give me, that will tell me that y'all don't really enjoy doing that. But if y'all do like the idea, and please do submit the answers. And leave a like. And subscribe. But don't spam with different accounts. Because then I'll die forever. Lonely chambers of torture, chains and whips will kill me until everyone doesn't know I don't know if y'all heard that, but that was pretty freaking weird what I just said. I was like, but these videos will only be about 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to like 8 minutes long. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Sorry that the screen was like this. I can't play it like this. If I could play it like this, that would be a lot better. But hope y'all enjoyed. Anyways, like and subscribe if y'all did enjoy. And see y'all in the next video. Peace.